Yep, well, we're here. And nobody seems to be pouring, so might have to head out somewhere else, but thanks for trying, though. And now I know.
Yeah, now we know, Jim.
I'll never get another recommendation again.
Thank God there was nobody there.
Yeah.
I can't come out. No. Just the dog.
Just the basset down, so that's all good.
Go, go.
Well, let's go to somewhere else, quick.